Do you ever feel like you're drowning in tasks? These free AI tools will change how you work forever.
You're watching NextGen Tech. The future is now.
You ever feel like you're drowning in tasks, switching between dozens of apps just to stay organized? What if I told you that artificial intelligence can simplify everything, and best of all, for free? Welcome to NextGen Tech, where we explore tools that make your life smarter. In this video, we're revealing the top free AI tools for productivity in 2025. Tools that can summarize, organize, write, track, and even think for you. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or entrepreneur, this list is a game changer. Let's start with Notion AI, your new all-in-one productivity assistant. Think of it as a second brain. It helps you write better, organize ideas, and even generate content right inside your Notion workspace. You can ask it to summarize a meeting, turn bullet points into a blog post, or brainstorm new ideas instantly. Example, write summarize this research paper, paste the content, and Notion AI gives you a clean, readable summary. What makes it powerful? It works within your notes, no need to copy-paste into other apps. And yes, the free version includes AI now, with limited tokens, perfect for students, marketers, and remote teams. Next up is Tactiq, the smart meeting assistant for Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Instead of scrambling to take notes during your call, Tactiq captures everything automatically. It transcribes your conversation in real time and highlights key points, action items, and decisions. You can even search by keywords later, like budget or launch date. Best part? It works seamlessly in your browser and integrates with Google Docs, Notion, and more. The free plan gives you 5 meetings per month, enough to supercharge your productivity. Reading research papers or technical PDFs? Say hello to Scispace Copilot. It's an AI assistant that lives inside any PDF you upload. Just highlight a paragraph and ask it questions like, what does this mean? Summarize this page. What's the author's main argument? It uses advanced language models trained for academia and science, but it's also great for business reports, white papers, and legal docs. Best of all, it's 100% free with generous daily limits. For anyone who reads complex documents, this tool saves hours. Most people know Grammarly, but in 2025, it's evolved with built-in generative AI. Grammarly doesn't just correct grammar. It now rewrites sentences, suggests better tone, and even helps with brainstorming email drafts or social media posts. Example. Write, I need this by Friday. Grammarly AI suggests, would you be able to share this by Friday? More polite and professional. It integrates with Chrome, Gmail, Word, and more. The free version includes tone suggestions, clarity improvements, and limited AI rewrites, perfect for daily communication.
Google is great, but Perplexity AI is like Google on steroids. It's a smart search engine that gives you answers, not just links. Ask, what are the pros and cons of using AI in schools? Perplexity gives a detailed, cited answer, pulling from real sources, and you can ask follow-up questions naturally. The best part? It cites everything, so you know exactly where the information came from. No ads, no distractions, no misinformation, just fast, factual, AI-powered answers. Available on web and mobile, totally free.
Staying organized is hard, but AnyDo AI makes it effortless. This smart to-do list turns your notes into actionable tasks automatically. You write, meeting with Sarah next Friday. Prepare slides before. AnyDo schedules both items for you, sets reminders, and can even suggest priorities. It syncs with your calendar and integrates with tools like Slack and Gmail. The free plan includes smart task detection and limited AI features, ideal for managing your daily life without friction. There you have it. 7 free AI tools that will completely change how you work, learn, and manage your time in 2025. The best part? You don't need to pay a dime. Try one or try them all, and watch your productivity skyrocket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more weekly insights from NextGen Tech. Your future is now, and it's powered by AI.